Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix your Google Chrome that denies to get updated in the most easiest way. To get started, simply search for services and open it. From the list of services here, you need to focus on 3 services: Google Chrome Elevation Service, Google Updater Internal Service and Google Updater Service. Simply double click on each of these 3 services. Set the startup type to automatic and run the service. Once done, close the services window and open Google Chrome. Then click on these 3 dots. Then go to Help and click on About Google Chrome, and you will see Chrome will get updated. However, if you get any error at this point, follow the next step. Simply open a new tab and download the latest version of Chrome manually. Once the installer is downloaded, simply click on it to begin the installation. Once the installation finishes, Chrome will open automatically. Now click on these 3 dots, go to Help, then click on About Google Chrome, and you will see that Chrome will get updated without any errors. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.